Because you asked, we're going to take the Capra out on these new rocks. Well, they're newly arranged with the Excavator rocks at least. So let's go crawl. We've already done the introduction of the Capra, so I have done nothing to it. This guy is completely stock, and I want to see what's all this about now. I haven't arranged the rocks really. I've done almost nothing, and I want to check it out. So y'all have asked me over and over, take the Capra out again, talk about the Capra, and I will. Honestly, it's one of my favorite new releases, but the TRX4M has been getting a lot more love. Oh yeah, stock, real twitchy. It's been getting a lot more love lately. Yeah, these are totally different than they used to be, so I may not even be able to make it up this. Normally these rocks would give me a little bit more area to pass. Oh well, yeah, I'll just have to do something a little different. Let's try. Oh, it'll do it. A little hop skip. Throw from the hip. Yeah, for the size, these things are just so incredibly nimble. And before you say in the comments, I know, 380 brushed motor. Haven't quite gotten there yet. But I'm really only telling you that to give us some time to bring it to market. Whee! We do have the brushless motor, the 380 V2 that fits in here. That's what most people have been choosing, from us at least. There we go. Yeah, for stock tires, these things really do grab. I do want to try a different line though. Let me go around the outside. Oh boy, getting her bound down. Uh-oh. There we go. That's a close one. All right, let's see. Will it side hill this? It's got a ton of clearance on the edges, but it's gonna hang up. Whoa. Whoa, nope, didn't quite do it, did it? Not quite. Oh, can I get a little hand of God there? Yeah. Wait. Oh, I got it. There we go. All right. We got off track a little bit, which now we got this nice rocked in path. Let's see if I can get back up on the trail. Whoa. All right, so that's a little too much for this. So I'm gonna try again. That's what I'm telling you. Of course, all loose, super loosey-goosey. Gonna have to change that. Boy, this is just difficult here, isn't it? All right, that's gonna go there. Oh yeah, it's just too loose. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna go back to over here. Like I said, all new rock locations for the most part. This section did kind of stay the same. That's about it. Whoops, I was looking at my leg. I thought I had a tick on me. There we go. All right, no more excuses, he says. All right, so I can already see ahead of myself here that this is not going to be traversable unless I go sideways. Yeah, a lot of stuff got buried. My big rocks need to be moved around. As you can see, it's just mostly loose loose stuff here. Not exactly what I want to crawl on. And also, of course, not predictable at all. It's just going to keep moving on me. But I'd like to get over here if I can hook. There we go. And then I got to keep this tire high so I don't get sucked underneath this rock. Just like that. Guess I kept it too high. No such thing. There she is. Good enough, at least. Might have to come out here with a pressure washer and clean some of these rocks off.
The dirt section.
Yeah. Yeah, the dirt, I didn't mean to excavate any dirt, but it just kind of happened. You know, it is an excavator and all. Oh, no. Oh, yes. And then some of that. There we go. Obviously, rock bouncing territory now. Yeah, just a little too dirty for a crawler to hook. Would need a lot more wheel speed and probably a larger size rig. What's the cameraman think about his new rock path now, though?
Better.
Yeah. Yeah, a lot more stable. There's still some loose rocks laying around, but we'll get to it. Boink. Aw. Ooh. That's a good way to break things. All right, well, we'll try this on a different direction here. I'd like to get up on these rocks. I'd like to get up on these rocks without using my hands, but boy, it's twisting this guy up. There we go. That is what I was hoping for. Oh, and this is not, well, the Capra's gonna prove me wrong. Can the Capra get up this? It's so close. I will be very, very surprised. I mean, I'm kind of abusing this thing, but yeah, okay. Just hook right there. It's so close. Oh, it's so close. I know what I can do. I am going to modify course and make sure these rocks don't fall. There we go. This will help. It should. There we go. Yeah, this is a little more riprap than what I would typically want for a course, but again, this is just how everything fell for the most part. There's been a very select few rocks that I've placed, mostly in the first section that we already went through, but this is all just a random assortment of how it fell out of the excavator bucket. Yeah, this Capra for its size is so capable. All right, I'm gonna have to use this rock on the driver's side, see if I can float up to the big guy, and then I gotta carry that rear on the same line. Yes, it is possible. We have ourselves a section. Now, from here, where do I go? I don't know. I guess I could come off this a ways, or I'm already pointing towards the camera, so let's just do that. Yeah, stock electronics a little touchy. There's not a good way for me to get through this, though. It's gonna try to fall into that hole. There we go. Man. Yeah, this rig really just is surprising overall. Get this out of the way, and there's a chance I could just go straight up this. It's just a chance. Oh. Yeah, maybe not quite. It's with a little bit of rock stacking to give myself a straight line. I think this would be possible here. I need to keep that front tire hooked. There. And then if I can get that front wheel over this, oh boy, look at that steering length. Yeah, it's just really not wanting to hook. And now my rear tire fell off, so it's probably not gonna work. That was really close though. You see what I'm going for at least, that if I could pull this line just maybe a little bit further this way so that I could keep it like that. I mean, it's almost already there. Why don't we just turn this into a rock stack video? Oh, I think I ruined that one. And then I need something here and something there. This might make it too easy, but I can always undo it later. It's a little, yeah, we'll try it out. We'll see if we can just make some lines. Got to be real careful on freshly moved rocks because a lot of them are very unstable. You know, this is still stock tires and everything too, so that's the line. It's just getting hooked right there. I mean, it's almost there. Oh, that wasn't exactly how I wanted to go, but there. Oh no, not there. Okay, once more. I mean, you can see what I'm going for. Besides just destroying this rig, this right there is gonna be problematic though. It's just right in the middle. But that's what makes it fun, right? It's, you know, maybe some tires that aren't stock would help me out. I mean, this thing is almost narrow enough. Can I pass through? Nope. It's almost narrow enough. It's neat when monolithic rock features like that work out. You know, I could probably just go to the other side of it if it'll hook. It's almost got the perfect wheelbase. Almost. There it was. Just needed to bump a little bit of wheel speed on there. Okay, I'm gonna try that again. I want to try that one more time. Okay, there's our starting spot. I want to make sure that wasn't a fluke, because well, it's definitely possible. Whoops. Oh, it's just getting hung up. I think I took off a portion of that rock.
You did. You can do it now.
Yeah, probably be a lot easier now. Oh, yeah, it's just perfect to get hung up. This would be an extremely good. Yeah, that totally changed it. Oh well, that's what it is now. Yeah, I'll try to beat that climb in a little bit more for this teeny little Capra. Let's see, where else can we go? I mean, while I'm up here. Oh, now I better float that rear end over. There we go. Oh, well, I did, but that's not what I was going for. All right. Look out below for rocks. Woo! Well, so far, I would say this pile is not a failure. I may be a failure at driving sometimes, but this pile, although not ideal in a lot of places, it's not bad. There's some new features that I really like. You know, maybe maybe you can see some lines that I can't from the magic of the internet. And let me know if you see something or a certain section. Give me a timestamp. Say, hey, you should stack some rocks and go this direction. I definitely could use the input. Now I'm just crawling on riprap, basically. Loose boulder.
Can you crawl over that down tree long ways?
Oh, I was thinking about that. I bet you I can. I don't know if this guy will quite get up the tree, but let's try. There's already the perfect rocks sitting here. Whoa! Yeah, getting onto it in the right direction may be a trick if I can come at it from enough of an angle. You know, keep that tire. Yeah, that's gonna be tough. I might have to stack a few rocks. Oh, whoa! I almost need one more rock, like this one. There we go, hit that on the corner. Ha! Now this this might give us some problems. I don't think I can hook around that. Which side's gonna give me more room? Neither. So I'll try this. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, I don't know about that. I may have to saw this off a little bit. Course modifications. I mean, I could just kind of like try to brute force over it.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. It may work. That may not pay off. Yeah. All right. We'll save that one for another day after it's modified. This though, this looks like it's more possible. Yeah, just like that. Like I know what I'm doing. Like I'm used to this Capra. Just barely, man, with those portals. If this didn't have portals, whoa, it probably wouldn't be able to go through. All right. Oh, yeah, I didn't think that was gonna work out. It didn't pay off. But we can pretend. We'll just, stack a rock there. Or I can do the classic Bigfoot maneuver. Don't try this in a competition, kids. Oh, what happens if I run over my foot? Is it legal? Is it just a touch? Is it a repair touch? I don't think anybody in the comments is going to know what I'm talking about on that. If you do, brownie points. Do you remember Bigfoot at Nationals? It's very rare to see. There we go. All right, and then we're just gonna
reverse.
We're gonna Capra off this thing. Wow! Oh yeah, there's so many roots around here. I'm not even gonna try to get that unstuck. Cool. Well, hey, that's the crawling course now. I like it. It needs some work, but that's the course. As you can see, we've been doing a lot of work to the yard. There'll be another video about all that. Whoa. Going this direction may be a little tougher. Yeah, it's not possible yet. Cool. All right, well, I'm gonna call it good for the Capra. That was fun. If you got any questions or comments, leave them down below. I will do my best to get to them. As always, thanks for tuning in and have a great day.